Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? It's Pikapikavy. I am finally came back for this makeup tutorial. I've been MIA for the past, I believe it has been 2 weeks, but finally I am back now. So if you guys are interested in this sunset look, then keep on watching. So after I moisturize my face and do my eyebrows, I'm gonna jump right in with the Bruising palette for Anastasia Beverly Hills. These days I have been really busy with school and some work and stuff, so I didn't get to film as much as I can. Nowadays I'm kind of losing my interest in doing YouTube, but I will try to make as much as videos as I can, making sure the quality is good before I bring it up to you guys. So after I have the yellow transition shade, I'm going with this orangey color and put it in the crease of my eye, blending it in. Take your time with this blending because I think sunset look is really hard for me. And these days I've been really stressed out because of school. But yeah, sending positive vibes to any of the people out there who's struggling as much as I am too. We can make it together. And make sure when after you cut your crease, you're gonna bring in the same shade that you put the last time in your darker crease. I'm gonna blend it in, making sure that there's no weird edges or anything. You want to soften up these edges also. In this look, I want to put some glitter on my face, so I'm using NYX glitter primer and also NYX glitter. And with my small precision brush, I'm gonna place on my eye. Make sure you dab it as quickly as you can so it doesn't fall under your eye. You take Wednesday, Thursday, then just send him my way. Think I got it covered. I just want to say that this week has been so stressful for me. There's so much drama going on that you are involved with, or people just place it on your head. I just want to say that, girl, you do you. Whenever people are putting negative thoughts on you, or maybe they think that someone else started it even though it's truly their fault, just be yourself. To be honest, makeup is my escape. It's like a door where I can escape from this real world. I can paint my story how much as I want. Wow, that got really deep. Yeah, I didn't mean to make this makeup tutorial as like one of the things that I'm gonna brag or like even start nagging about. After you done with the glitter, I'm just gonna use my makeup wipe, try and get the glitter from away from my eye before I move on to the face makeup. So back to the topic, I just want to say you guys are beautiful. You guys are so inspiring. Everything that I watch from you guys, like from YouTube to Instagram stories to your creations or whatever, it inspires me so much. And I just want to say that I really appreciate you guys out there. And because of you, I finally have a day that I can express myself just like you guys. So, yeah. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I look distracted in this video. It's just because I was watching one of the K-drama on my laptop, so you can see me looking down multiple times. So this is a lot of concealer, but for the purpose of Instagram photos, I put on a lot. Like, stack it up, girl. I like it how I always make ugly faces when I put on my powder, or my bronzer, or my highlight. Just the way it is. This is my real makeup tutorial. It's not like one of those Instagram tutorials that you guys watch when everything is so perfect. So, I'm not sure you guys noticed, but I got new lighting. So, comment down below how I did with this video. I really tried to set up making sure that the lighting and the shadow doesn't like overpower the light in my natural highlight and not too much and stuff like that. These days I have been investing in my own videos, so that's a good thing. Next up is a new camera. My old camera has been really annoying. It doesn't focus anymore, and whenever I try to focus, it's really annoying, and I think I gotta go fix it. But what's the point of getting an old camera fixed when I just buy a new one? So stay tuned for that. Then I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit with my favorite Tarte highlight brush. I got it from a set. And then later I'm just gonna put on mascara and some false eyelashes, and just gonna finish it off with lips. And I think that's it for my makeup tutorial. I don't care long as you here by 10:30, no later than drop them drawers, give me what I want. Here's the finished look. So many of you guys asked me about the giveaway thing, so make sure to follow me on Instagram Pikapikavy for an update of the giveaway, and I will tell you when it is. Thank you so much. Subscribe and like this video, and goodbye.